So let's take a look at what's happening with dollar yen. We have ventured up from $1.52 or 152, I should say, and we've gone into this little bit of a consolidative period to end our week here, right over the last few days. And the question is, how do we want to react at this period? Is this a place that we should expect price to go lower? Is this a place that we should expect price to go higher? Or should we just bracket the market and do both? Now, I do think bracketing the market is a good idea. I do think if we take out these lows, we're likely to go a little bit lower. If we take out these highs, we still have room to go higher. For this video's purpose, I want to focus on the upside. And I want to really dig down in this zone and see if I can get more specific with where in this zone I think price is likely to go to. And if you're someone familiar with my work, if you are a live room member, you know exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the noise. I'm not going to do the noise, right? Because you guys make fun of me. But what I want to do is I want to identify our elephant candle, which is going to be this big red one down here, the one that really kicked off this high momentum move to the downside. And I want to isolate the consolidative zone prior to that level, which is going to be right in here. And that's how I'm going to take my bigger zone and squish it down into a smaller, more precise zone. Now, that's not the only thing I want to do, right? Because again, over the last few years, I've implemented something in my trading that allows me to get more confirmation, more confluence in my analysis, and it's really helped with kind of target projections or even entry projections. And I even did a whole video on it that you can watch if you want to learn how to use it. But that is going to be my anchored volume profile tool. I want to drag it from or really just click it because it's the anchored one, but drag it from our swing high to swing low here and see if there are any clues that I indeed chose the right level. And you can see that there is. If you're new to the channel, I look for what's called the void, which means kind of gaps in the volatility, so areas like that. And I believe that price will slice through them like a hot knife through butter and then be magnetically gravitated or pulled, I guess, to that next level. And our next level and our highest level, seen by our point of change, this little small white dotted line here, is going to be really that exact zone that I drew out. So if price is likely to go higher, meaning that we can break and close above this yellow line right here, which is what, 157.34, then I think we're likely to travel up to 158 flat. So something you can look for here on the 4-hour, or if we're going to get more in depth, go down to an hourly chart. And then my personal style is a break and then a pullback and then a chance to trade it higher.